Welcome to Cooking with Gerald. On today's episode, I'll be making black-eyed peas. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. And for those of you that are returning, I'd like to thank you for coming back and also for supporting. Before we get started, if you would for me, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you like the content that you're watching, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Let's take it a step further. If you want to be notified each time I do upload a new video, go ahead and click that notification bell on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now on to the video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my kitchen, Cooking with Gerald. Today, I'm making some black-eyed peas. Good old black-eyed peas. My ingredients are going to be any type of smoked meat, which that's a ham hock. You can get smoked turkey neck, smoked turkey butts, whatever, pork, smoked neck bones, ham bone, whatever you choose for your smoked meat. I have about a half of a large onion, and I have about 4 tablespoons of butter. Salt, excuse me, not salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. All of these seasonings are to taste. And I have about 4 cups of chicken broth, and I have my black-eyed peas. I particularly don't care to use dried beans. I like to get the beans either fresh or else frozen. So to start things off, I'm going to go ahead and get my onions and my ham hock boiling, and that's going to cook for approximately 2 hours to 2.5 hours, depending on how tender it is. After that point, then I'll go ahead and add in my beans. All right, so to get things started, go ahead and throw my butter in here. And this is unsalted butter. I only use unsalted butter. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and throw my onion in there as well. Just to soften them up a little bit. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put in my onion powder, excuse me, and my garlic powder. And like I said, this is going to be to taste. That's about a tablespoon of onion powder and about a teaspoon of garlic for me because the garlic is pretty strong. And I love black pepper, so I'll put about a teaspoon of that in there as well. All right, so now these have softened up. I'll go ahead and put my ham hock in there, and then go ahead and add my broth. I think I'm going to add a couple more cups of water. This is going to be enough to cover the ham hock. So this is about 7 cups of water, actually exactly 7 cups. So I'm going to bring this up to a boil. And once it comes up to a boil, I'll go ahead and turn it down low and let it simmer on about a medium to medium low for the 2 to 2.5 hours. And I'll be back. All right, guys, so it is up to a raging boil. I'm going to go ahead and turn this down to low or medium low and cook for 2.5 hours, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's been 2 hours. I've taken my meat, cut it off the bone, and cut them into small pieces like that, so it'll be evenly distributed. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my beans in. These are two 12-ounce bags of black-eyed peas, or whatever type of beans that you like. Doesn't necessarily have to be black-eyed peas. And there's just enough liquid in there too. So I'm going to go ahead and cook these for about 45 minutes to an hour on a medium to medium low heat again, and then I'll be back in an hour to check. All right guys, so I'm back. It's been a little over an hour and the beans are done. I also forgot to tell you guys, when you first start cooking them, to put about a teaspoon of baking soda in the beans. And what that does is it prevents you from having gas from the beans, flatulence, pudding, whatever you want to call it. These are done, and as you can see, the broth is kind of thin. I'm going to thicken my broth by taking my potato masher and mashing some of the beans down in the pot. And this is going to be a natural thickener. All right. So as you can see, this is starting to thick up. What I'm going to do is leave the top off of it for like about 10 minutes until it thickens up some more once some of the liquid after some of the broth evaporates from out of there. And I'll be back. All right, guys, so here you go. It is done. This is my black-eyed peas with some hot water cornbread. Thanks for watching today. Please leave a comment, share this video, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell at the top right-hand corner of the screen so that you'll know each time I do upload a new video. Until next time, God bless and stay safe. I really hope that you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell at the top right-hand corner of the screen to be notified each time I upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you don't mind, please go ahead and share the video. Until next time, stay safe.